G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're having a look at a Barakat cooker that we've bought. Now we don't know what this is going to be like. It's for our camping and caravanning explorations around the place, and we thought we'd buy one of these and just see how it goes. We've got a little gas cooker, a 2-burner cooker, and we want to be able to cook various things or roast various meats and things in it. So we're starting today with Kimmy's going to do a damper. This is the first thing. There's also a chicken that we do in it, but this first one is a damper, as you can see, placed there for bacon and eggs, and the non-stick side of the pan seems to be very non-stick, nice and slippery. Alright, we'll have a further look at this. You've got silicone rubber handles there that slide over the handles on the pan itself, which means you can pick it up when it's hot and all that. And it just looks pretty good. Just a little booklet comes with it. We are not affiliated with this pot at all. This is just our opinion and our experimentation of this. We'll give it a wash and let's cook a damper.
So you can probably do 80 grams of butter. That'll do. And just so as people know how much it is, because they may not always have scales with them, I'll put it in a cup. So see how much 80 grams of butter is in a cup. So it's roughly
half a cup?
Quarter of a cup.
Quarter of a cup.
Yeah, about a third of a cup. Half a cup. Plain flour. And in the plain flour, I've got to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder in it. 1, 2, pinch of salt, and there's 2 cups of flour in that. 2 cups of flour. Okay. Butter in. And I've got to do this till it resembles breadcrumbs. You don't have to put butter in it, but I prefer it with butter because it makes it taste nicer. I prefer it with the flavour.
Good. Yep.
So this now just resembles breadcrumbs, and that's the consistency that you want. Okay? So it's just like breadcrumbs. I just need a knife. Just going to make a well in the middle. And leave a little bit of water. Just with a knife. Just mix it through. Just so it all comes together. If you find it's too dry, you can put some more water in, but I think that's okay. Then I just get a bit of flour. Sprinkle on the bench. Put some on my hands. And sprinkle some over the top. You just knead it till it's nice and smooth, like that. Just folding it over, like that. Just pat it out, sort of like a big scone. Then I'm just going to put some baking paper. Put that in there like that, like so. Then I'm going to get a knife, just put a little bit of flour on it, and just make it a little bit rounder, make it a circle. I'm just going to score it. Like so. Then I'm going to pick it up. And put it in there. And put a little dusting on top. Like so. And then put the lid on it. Get a picture of the trivet.
That's the trivet. Put him on there.
Probably don't need him that high. Just turn it down a little bit.
You'll have to do it.
Okay.
So reasonably low on the heat.
Yeah, low on the heat. And let it cook for 15 minutes and then I'll check it.
Alright, we'll come back in 15 minutes.
This is 20 minutes.
Here we go.
We're getting there.
It's looking good.
Still soft. I might have to turn it up a little bit.
Alexa's telling us this time.
25 minutes.
The 25-minute reveal.
It smells nice.
It smells beautiful.
Yeah, it's starting to get hard. Starting to dry out a little bit. So I'll put the lid back on again and we'll do another 25 minutes. I have turned it up a little bit.
Okay, it's a good thing we've got these silicone things for the handles because it'd be pretty hot to hang onto. Okay, another, how long?
5 minutes. So
Another 5 minutes.
Because I've never done it before.
Right, let's have a look after 40 minutes.
Because maybe I had it too low.
And there we are. It's looking not too bad.
A little bit longer. It's still a bit doughy on top. So I'll put the lid back on for another 5 minutes.
Right,
Okay.
now, what are we doing now?
Just checking it. I can't remember how much time it's been on there. but I can start to smell it now.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Starting to dry out. I'll just check the bottom of it. Oh, can't see. Well, it's starting to burn a little bit on the bottom.
It's starting to burn on the bottom.
So I don't know what to do. So I just have to leave it for another 5 minutes.
Bit of steam come out there.
Bit longer, still a bit doughy.
What's he like underneath though?
Maybe I'll cook it like that.
Doesn't matter. Give him a bit of a cook. Alright, give it another 5 minutes. See what he's like after we turn him upside down.
Sounding hollow.
Certainly hot.
Yeah, I think that's done actually. Just turn it over. And if you listen, sounds hollow. I'll just get a knife and cut it open and see what it looks like. It's just a bit burned on the bottom.
I'm sure it'll taste okay.
Let's have a look.
There's our damper.
Yeah, not too bad. Probably because we kept taking the lid on and off. Maybe. Gotta have a bit of damper with your butter.
Yeah, certainly do. So our new machine over here seems to have worked okay.
Hopefully we'll do a bit better next time.
Yeah. Well, the damper looks good. What's
That's the damper.
what's the review of the damper?
Tastes nice. Tastes just like it should.
Sounds good. Well, so a little bit burnt on the bottom. That's how we ended up. Got a bit of learning with this pot, but I reckon does the job. That damper is very, very nice, even though he's a little bit overcooked on the bottom. Tastes good. Job done. Excellent. Maybe our viewers can give us some feedback on cooking a damper in one of these. Is there any tricks to this to save the burning or discolouring on the bottom of our damper? But yeah, our new pot seems to go very, very nice. So much for the review of our pot. Seems to do the job very nicely, but lots more to test out with this yet.
What with syrup?
Yeah, some golden syrup on damper. Boy, that is really, really nice. Something else.
There you go.
Okay, I think that's a wrap for our cooking exercise in our new pot
For today.
for today.